Alright guys, these are new linear 4 surface mount lights I got from Prestige Emergency Lights. They're red clear. I had them up there on the back window up there, but they weren't as bright in the window, so I moved them out here on the bumper. I mounted them with these L brackets that my buddy of mine with the fire department gave me. Just mounted them right there on the bumper and ran the wire back through here up underneath the tail light. The red and black ones all up in here. I didn't hide all these wires all that well because I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to have this Jeep. I'm thinking about getting a truck here soon. As you can see, I got 2 of them on this side. Show you what they look like real quick. My switch box right here. Letter A controls the mini Phantom up here on the dash. And also turns on the linear 4 grill lights. Very happy with those lights. Again, I got them from PrestigeEmergencyLights.com. For 2 of them, I paid, I think with shipping, it was $87.28. So, not a really good deal. B controls the hideaway strobes. Got them on each side in here. 60-watt strobes or more strobes. Also got them in the reverse lights. C turns on the power to the control box for the light bar. Traffic advisor going over there in the back. Now this light bar, I did not buy it the way it came. It was all red with just the clear takedowns and alleys. And the guy that I bought it from that I work with at the fire department, he went through and was able to switch them around to get them to flash, and also move the light heads around for me. But that's a Vanguard 500 series light bar from strobesandmore. Excuse me, uniformswarehouse.com. Very nice setup. I think I'm done with lights. Probably gonna upgrade my siren here pretty soon. Show y'all my siren here real quick that I got in here right now. This is the STL Omega 100 watt siren from sirenet.com. Not the best siren in the world, but it does the job if you're looking for a cheap siren. With the siren and speaker, I paid $147, I believe. Haven't been on the website lately, so I'm not sure exactly how much they are now. I did have a PA mic that plugged in here, but it broke, so I don't have a PA no more. Whenever you plug in the PA, the cord stuck out about that tall off, and every now and then whenever I used to respond with the other department I work for, my arm hit the little plug and it broke, so it's stuck down in there, but never works anymore. But push this down, you got the air horn. Push it up and it's a male tone of the whale. Yeah, whale, yelp, piercer, high-low. That's it. Let me know what y'all think. Appreciate it. Have a good one.